Adem Savas was responsible for the supply of thousands of boats and engines that facilitated migrant crossings across the English Channel. Adem Savas, a Turkish national, pleaded guilty on the 3rd of December in relation to migration offences and also being part of a criminal network. He, along with 3 other members of his criminal network, were jailed for a total of 49 years, 11 years for Adem Savas, who we would turn around and say was the head of this organised criminal network. So Adem Savas and the Savas network, their conviction today sends a clear message to those people that wish to supply small boats equipment across Europe. It shows how the National Crime Agency, and in this case with Belgian prosecutors, can work across boundaries, can collect evidence, and seek to pursue people like Savas in relation to their arrest, conviction and dismantlement of this criminal network. So we don't see this as being a silver bullet. We see this as being one line of effort that the National Crime Agency and other organisations in the UK and across Europe seek to deploy to reduce, obviously, the supply of small boats equipment as well as migrants crossings across the board. So we don't think that this will obviously solve the issue, but it's one line of effort and a significant message and significant sentence. So the National Crime Agency work really closely with other organisations, but key with other foreign jurisdictions and prosecutor and other law enforcement agency. That is absolutely key to the gathering of evidence and intelligence in order that these individuals can be arrested and these operations dismantled. So this is one line of effort, so as I said, it does show a clear message, but there are other lines of effort in order to obviously reduce those amount of crossings. And it is a multi-agency, multi-European approach in order to crack down on individuals that basically prey on vulnerable individuals. We'll go over boundaries, and we'll obviously seek to identify those people that supply small boats equipment that lead to deaths. We can turn around and say that Savas operated from 2019 up to the point of his actual arrest and then obviously conviction. We haven't been able to link directly any deaths to Savas. The National Crime Agency, with other organisations within the UK and also across Europe, will relentlessly work against people smugglers and the supply of small boats equipment. This is the agency's #1 priority in order that we deliver to try obviously protect people, the vulnerable individuals that get into the boats, reduce crossings, but also dismantle organised criminal networks that seek to prey on the vulnerable individuals.